Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI and it's time to light up your life. I want to show you this little switch from TronicsPros. This is a set of 2 of these switches and this is an awesome way to add some extra lighting in a variety of places. So we got these switches to use with some LED strip lighting that we could put under our cabinets to add a little bit of extra light. It was so dark under there and really hard to see when we were prepping food and cooking, and it just looked so dark. So these switches paired with the LED strip lights have made a huge difference in our kitchen, and it was so easy and so affordable. So these little switches have the male and female connector, and you can use these with so many different things, from surveillance and security camera setups to electronic appliances. Anything that you need this 12-volt inline rocker switch for, this is a really great option. So I would definitely recommend these for the ease of use and installation and the convenience. And that's my point of view.